इंडिया में हर साल 40 करोड़ बैग होते हैं चोरी। देश की टॉप ट्रैवल ऐप IXIGO अब बदलेगा ये स्टोरी। ताले तो आपने देखे होंगे हजार, देखा ना होगा ऐसा जो चोर पे करे वार। IXIGO कवच, स्मार्ट ट्रैवलर्स का स्मार्ट ताला। ये बनाता है आपके बैग पर एक इलेक्ट्रिक कवच। 5 मीटर दूर जाते ही चोर को लगे झटका सच। जब कीजिए साउंड मोड ऑन, तब ताला दिखाए स्वैग। चोर को चिल्ला के बोले,
छोड़ दे ये बैग, छोड़ दे ये बैग, छोड़ दे ये बैग।
फिंगरप्रिंट और ब्लूटूथ से होता है ये अनलॉक। ताला पहचाने आपको, बाकियों को लगे शॉक। वाटर से है रेजिस्टेंट, मिलिट्री ग्रेड है स्टील। साल भर चले बैटरी, सस्ते में है डील।
Have you ever been bothered by a hot, dirty, and uncomfortable living environment on a dry summer afternoon? Don't worry, we've got a solution for you. NEXFAN Ultra is super easy to manipulate. Avoid all the complicated installing processes. Simply click on and it's ready to go. NEXFAN is an advanced cooler and can be used as a humidifier. You'll discover the temperature drop in just a few minutes. Let's see how it works from the inside. The mist penetrates across the corrugated wet curtain made of plant fiber as well as the silver-containing filter. This filter depresses the bacterial growth through oxidation to sterilize the water. Another sterilization mechanism lies in the UV lamp. Upon UV irradiation, water molecules would generate radicals that strongly depress the bacteria. Imagine a cooler that not only brings down the temperature, but also brings up the air quality. Breathe healthily in your living room or in your office. After a long day, the colorful ambient light eases your sleep with a gentle breeze and a steadfast airflow. NEXFAN will not only be used indoors, but also bring you cool outdoors. NEXFAN is so light that it allows you to practically carry it anywhere. NEXFAN, your summer will be a lot cooler.